Every drop you give, the city breathes. Your exhaustion is society's salvation.
Pedal faster through the neon haze. City lights blur like a fevered gaze. The skyline's crying in electric rain, but we don't stop, we don't feel the pain. Spin the world, don't let it fall. We're the wheels that hold it up. Round and round and never slow. Ho, 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 ho. What's ahead we'll never know. Shadows stretch, but we don't break. The air feels thin like a mirrored lake. Whispers echo in the static hum, but we ride, we rise, we overcome. No brakes, no fears. Leave the past in gears. Spin the world, don't let it fall. Oh, 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 oh. We're the wheels that hold it all. Oh, 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 oh. Round and round and never slow. Oh, 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 oh. What's ahead we'll never know. The night's alive. It bites, it stings. The clock unwinds, but no one sings. Authenticity fades, erased by steel. Are we the ghosts of a spinning wheel, or the last ones left who feel what's real?